Okay, here we are at the High3Avg page. We will simply enter the current annual salary, if there will be any increases in the future during employment, what that increase will be. If you already know the High3 figure, you'll say yes and manually enter that here. For this tutorial, we're going to say no. Next, you'll be asked if you want to enter any past annual increases. Oftentimes there's a salary freeze and there are no raises going forward, but there have been raises in the past. If you enter no for future and past salary increases, the High3Avg will be the salary that you indicate. If retirement will occur in the current calendar year and you have exact historical salary information, you can select yes and you will be able to enter those exact previous salaries to get to the most accurate High3Avg possible. This is only an option when retirement occurs in the current calendar year. When you're finished entering your data, you'll click Next. Not only will your data be saved, but you'll be taken to the next applicable form.